the authorities in South Sudan requested the government of Uganda for assistance.
Well, Dr. Riek Machar accused Uganda People's Defense Forces of using chemical weapon. This was in an official address to the United Nations written before he was allegedly captured as opposition leader in the ongoing conflict, which is now projected to become another civil war in South Sudan. Machar clearly said that the air strikes that the UPDF are doing in South Sudan are involving targets to civilians using chemical weapons are so dangerous, and they are among weapon embargoes, that is, weapons which have been banned by the United Nations. They are not supposed to be used in wars. But Uganda People's Defense Forces acting director information, that is Chris Magezi, has rejected the allegations and saying it is totally false.
We do not have any chemical weapons in UPDF. We have not applied any heavy weapons anywhere. Actually, we have not been engaged as we speak in any violent hostilities with anyone.
You may be wondering, what are these chemical weapons? What is this kind of things? Yeah, let's take a look at the types of chemical weapons that are available. The first one is nerve agents, which is considered the most painful way to die. It disrupts the nervous system, leading to paralysis and death. Example is sarin, VX, tabun, and salmon. Another type of chemical weapon is what is called blister agents, that is vesicants. It causes severe skin, eye, and respiratory blisters. The examples are mustard gas and lewisite. Another one is blood agents. It disrupts oxygen delivery in the body, leading to suffocation. The example is hydrogen cyanide and acid. Another type of chemical weapon is what is called choking agents, that is pulmonary agents. It attacks the respiratory system, causing fluid buildup in the lungs. The example is phosgene and chlorine gas. Riot control agents, that is tear gas and irritants. So tear gas and irritants are also considered chemical weapons. They cause temporary blindness, respiratory distress, and skin irritation. Example is CS gas and pepper spray, or the OC. Incapacitating agents. This type of chemical weapon induces confusion, hallucinations, or unconsciousness without immediate lethality. Example is BZ3-quinylclidinyl and then benzylate. And this incapacitating agent kills you slowly, and eventually you get down to die. You must remember that these chemicals have been banned under international treaties like the Chemical Weapons Convention, that is CWC, but some countries and groups have still used them in conflicts, because at times in war it is very difficult to get evidence when accusing an opponent.